Good morning, happy Thursday. I am going to show you today your three assignments that you need to get completed. So the other day you started your bell ringer on the bear, when the bear was like flying up in the air. You are going to finish basically telling me that story, and you're going to turn it into a plot pyramid now. So you are going to give me the exposition of the story. So that's like your beginning. So you're just kind of setting the stage. You're going to give me the rising action of your story. So normally that's like when things are starting to get good. It could be like a lot of dialogue is happening in there, a lot of conversations between characters. Then you're going to go to the climax and tell me what happened in the most exciting part of your story. This could be the saddest part, but also the most exciting, probably with the bear, unless he like died. It's probably going to be an exciting point of that story. And then the falling action, so you're heading towards summing up the end of yours. So you're like trying to start tying it in a nice bow. And then the bottom is your resolution, where you actually have the solution to the problem that happened. So if the bear did get loose, like what wound up happening in the end. So make sure you have a solution to the climax. So what ultimately happened. I did ask for your conflict and then the protagonist and antagonist again. It should just be a copy and paste from yesterday. So this should not have to be anything you've reinvented. If you have multiple conflicts, that's good, but just choose the main conflict that happens. So speaking of protagonist, antagonist, and conflict. So you have this plot pyramid that's due today. Also, by the way, this is not editable. So you're going to have to go to File and make a copy. And then you can have your own copy of it. I wanted to just give it as material because I didn't want it to be assigned yet. So this was the easiest way for me to do it. Tomorrow you will turn in your plot pyramid, and then you will also turn in the bell ringer itself. So you'll have the actual story and the plot pyramid to turn in tomorrow. I did change the way that your topics look. So if you look here, let me exit out of this real quick. So I'm starting to give like week 5 and then Thursday. So yesterday was week 5 and Wednesday. I'm hoping that will help, because when you start looking at these, it does start to get really convoluted and confusing. So Monstioka actually mentioned that maybe I should just do it this way. So that's what I'm going to do. So you have, and you'll be able to see this tomorrow, your plot pyramid is here. Then we're going to do this types of conflict. So this is what your types of conflict sheet will look like. Now, because I own it, it's editable for me, but it will not be for you. So you're going to need to add in a text box. Now, normally there's like an add text right here, or you can go to insert and then add text box. So there are 8, I believe, questions here. And each one of them, it just gives you a mini story. And what you need to do is tell me who's the protagonist, who's the antagonist, and what's the type of conflict. So that's when you're looking at, is it going to be character versus character, character versus self. So you'll plug those into those boxes. So I'll be putting in right here, character versus character, if that's what it is. You don't have to worry about your name. It's already going to be on there. You can put it on there. But as you go through, you can see what's going to be the problem of that. So is it the rescue team, or is it going to be the ice cold ocean waters? Who's going to be the antagonist, the bad person in the story? So then finally today, there's an apostrophe practice on USA Test Prep. It's just a quick task. It's like one of the drag and drop ones. I also put a video up for apostrophes. I would watch the video first and then do the apostrophe practice. So they should both be labeled 924, and then tomorrow will be your quiz. So you have 4 things really to do today. Create your plot pyramid, do your types of conflict, watch the apostrophe video, and then complete the apostrophe practice. And so 4 total. I'm trying to make that on the white. Plot pyramid, types of conflict, apostrophe video, and practice. And that should get you through the day. And then tomorrow will just be like a mass turn-in day. So try to get everything caught up and let me know if you need any help today. See you guys tomorrow.